Are you ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. So turn to the person next to you. Tell them, be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. So straight to my story. So to start with, I'm Kelvin Mwangi. I'm a very proud member of this company. Been here 1 year, 7 months, and I can be able to say this is one of the best things I've found around. So I'm a member of the Millionaire Circle, and I have a rank of a chief executive. But I didn't start the way you're seeing me here today. So to start with, after clearing my Form 4, I came to Nairobi, and this is how I started Drive. I used to sell meat, and they used to pay me 300 each and every day. You can imagine, in Nairobi, you need to pay rent, you need to eat, and you only have 300. And we have this saying that the customer is always right. So you remember, the customer can come, buy meat worth 1 kg, that is 460, and it's cooked. But eventually they say that is not their own. Remember, if you come across ama kama ushaipika nyama iko na mafuta inayeyuka. So what happens? They will say that is not their own meat. Gharama niko nani? Kwako. So you can see how life was. You're being paid 300, you minus 460, at the end of the day you go home with nothing, negative 160. So tomorrow when you're starting the day, you have a balance, a debt. So God is always faithful. I came across a chance to join national service. This is me here. Went for 11 months training. From there, went to national building, whereby you work for the government. Then from there, I was offered a free course, plant operator. Most of you who know about plant operator, ni hizi matinga za kulima barabara. I cleared, but unfortunately, from all the time we have been singing this song of unemployment, whenever I went to look for a job, they used to ask me for 3 years experience. I never got that experience, so I never got any job. I started working as a social worker, and one day I was lucky to be at Kenyatta National Hospital. This is me at Kenyatta National Hospital, and this particular point is at Kenyatta Mortuary. I got a job at Kenyatta Mortuary. If it were you, what would you have done? I decided not to look at the background, but to work there so that I can be able to raise something on the table. Okay, so I started working there, and as I was working, I came across this gentleman here. His name is George Ombogo, former prison officer. He introduced me to this wonderful opportunity of Variance Emotion Global, and the moment I was seated down and listened to the opportunity, I saw an opportunity that can change my life, can change my family's life and people around me. So after the training, I was very much ready to become part of this wonderful opportunity. But I didn't have enough money. But George showed me that money is not a problem. The idea to get that money is always the problem. Okay? So I had to look for some ways, and I was able to raise money, and I got started. This is me day one in this wonderful opportunity. I was guided, I was supported with the 2 people, and this was my first month in the business. So I was given the spirit of us. You can see Beth here, you can see Elijah and Lydian. And I was able to bring 2 of my friends, Brian Kamau and Cindy Otieno, both of them from the KDF. That was my first month. In my second month, I introduced a Muslim guy from Misri who I showed this opportunity and joined with a total of 230,000, that is 10 account. Then went to Garissa. This is me at the office of Mahat Osman Ibrahim. I was able to share this wonderful opportunity, and at the end of the day, I got a team in Garissa. People who I don't know. Okay? So going forward, this is a statement for 6 months, approximately from 15 September 2018 to 11 March 2019. If you calculate, it's around 6 months. It had made 1.3 million in a span of 6 months. How did this happen? Number one, teamwork. Nothing can outwork teamwork. Number 2, the support that I was given by the person who brought me to this wonderful opportunity. And number 3, multiple account. I joined with 1 account. Today I'm running 7 of them. So your effort is multiplied by the number of accounts you have. You can see the network that I've been able to grow in these countries, which of them I've never been to there. Then going forward, this was during the 2nd year anniversary. I was recognized as the top health direct recruiter was able to bring so many people on board. They have joined and changed their life. Our team was the best team, yeah. And you can see one of my mentors here. So going forward, this was some of the recognition I got back then. Then I was able to buy this Toyota Auxio to help me facilitate growing a network all through. Then going forward,